In this lesson, let's explore a magical tool that can transform how you build automation flows. Magic Command. To put it simply, Magic Command is just like the genie in Aladdin and the magic lamp. You just describe your requirements to it, and it'll instantly generate a ready-to-run command. It also supports automatic debugging, optimization, and modifications. This means you no longer have to drag commands manually, nor do you need to master programming skills. You can easily solve all kinds of automation problems just by talking to it. Isn't that super magical? So what problems can Magic Command actually solve? All in all, it's like having two expert assistants by your side. One is a data processing expert, and the other is a web automation expert. The data processing expert can help you complete all kinds of complex data organization tasks, covering scenario-based processing like date and time, data type Excel, image/video, and file. The web automation expert can help you handle automated operations on visible elements in web pages, including scenarios like intelligent data scraping, smart page interaction, sending requests or emails, and more. That's a quick intro to Magic Command. And since it's so powerful, how do you actually use it? After entering Automa's editing interface, find Magic Command on the left and double-click to open. The input box in the bottom right is where you describe requirements. Put your requirements here, click the Send button, and AI will automatically generate a magic command based on what you wrote. Since commands are generated through chat, prompts are super crucial. They directly determine the quality, direction, and precision of the AI's output. So how do you describe your requirements accurately? It's actually really simple. Magic Command has already prepared lots of practical example templates for you. Above the input box, pick the generation direction you want. The interface will then show a list of all templates under that category. For example, find string replacement in the text category. Click it, and the example description will automatically fill into the input box. Click the Send button. Wait a second. And the command will be generated right away. Its function is to replace world in hello world with Earth. Click Test to check the result, and it'll run successfully. If you change the replacement substring to Automa and run it again, world will be replaced with Automa. If the functionality meets your needs, click Done. It'll be created as a complete command directly on the canvas. At the same time, AI will automatically generate a descriptive command name for you, making it easier to find and use later. Double-click to open it, click the Reset button in the bottom right, and confirm again. The interface will go back to its initial state. If you choose Web Automation, the canvas will automatically enter floating window mode. This is to make it easier for you to generate or debug commands for the target area. Click Return to Designer in the top right to get back to the canvas. This feature isn't limited to specific scenarios. You can switch to floating window mode anytime by clicking Enter Floating Window in the top right. The general template can handle most web automation scenarios. Its main job is to complete automated operations on visible elements in the target area. As you can see from the examples below, you don't need to capture each specified element in advance. You just need to provide the minimal range that can cover these specified elements, and AI will automatically analyze and perform the operations. After selecting the template, a requirement description will be generated automatically. Follow the prompts to capture the target range first. Let's say your requirement is to automatically fill in the model and size on the current page, then fetch the displayed price. The elements you need to operate on are the model input field, size input field, and price display. The range you provide must fully cover all three. You can either capture this complete range directly or capture one element first. Then click the Expand Selection button and expand gradually until all three are included. We recommend the latter method. It can ensure the precision of the target range in certain cases and avoid operational confusion for AI when the range is ambiguous. Once you've captured the range, you can add descriptions of the specific operations. Type in the current page, fill in iPhone 17 inches for model 512GB for memory and read the displayed price. If you think the description isn't detailed enough, click Optimize Question below. AI will automatically refine the description into a command with clear steps. After confirming there are no issues, click Send directly. All right, the command is generated. The default configuration works perfectly, so click Test. You'll see the page running the automated operations, filling in the model, filling in the size, and displaying the captured price in the run results. Since we're still in the debugging stage, the command can run successfully even if the target web page is empty. If you confirm the command meets your requirements and want to use it in the flow, you need to specify the target web page object. Get the web page object. Then reopen this magic command. The web page object will auto-match. Use print to output the captured price. Click Run, and the entire flow will run smoothly. Besides the templates we've already covered, the data processing and web automation modules also offer a wide range of other templates to choose from. These can meet automation needs in more specific scenarios. Of course, if these built-in templates don't meet your personalized needs, you can also choose Freeform to customize your command. Next, we'll create another command. The requirement is to pull the data from the first row of orders on the current page. Extract the order number, item name, price, date, and status, then save all of it to a specified Excel workbook. This might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. Let us first complete the web page data scraping part, and this time we will not use the built-in template. You can click the Capture button below to directly select the target range, first capture one cell, expand to an entire row order element, and then click Confirm. Enter the prompt to capture the specified content. Capture the order number, product name, price, order date, and order status in the area. Click Send, and the command is generated. After running it, the data can be captured successfully. But you might find the format of this data unfamiliar. Don't worry, just leave everything to AI. You only need to keep talking to the AI, and it will write the data into the specified Excel workbook. Enter Save the captured content to a specific Excel file. Send it, and the command will be generated successfully. Manually select the target Excel file, then click Test. Unfortunately, the execution failed. How should you handle an error? It's actually really simple. You don't need to analyze the cause of the error, and you don't have to find a solution yourself. You just need to click the Smart Fix button below, and AI will check and fix the issue based on the error information. After fix is completed, run it again and the command will execute successfully. Open the Excel workbook and you'll see that the data has been written correctly. But there's a small issue. The price in the table includes an irrelevant dollar character, but we actually want to keep just a pure number. For cases like this where the command runs successfully but the result doesn't meet expectations, Magic Command supports one-click modification. Close the file. Click Still Need to Modify in the execution results, and then the input box on the right will prompt you to describe the error phenomenon and expected phenomenon. In error phenomenon, directly paste price $9.99. In expected phenomenon, you can remove the dollar from the original content. After sending it, AI will regenerate the command. Run it again, and the data will be written into the table in the specified format. The chat process also supports undoing this modification. Just click the Undo button, and it will revert to the previous state. By now, we've covered the basic usage of Magic Command through a simple demo. The core features include command generation, continuous chat, smart fix, modification, and undo. Of course, you can keep chatting with AI, letting it pull order data from the current page or even all the order data. As long as you're willing to spend a little time chatting with AI, you can easily create web automation and data processing commands, and you can directly apply them to your automation flow, which greatly boosts the efficiency of building the flow.